Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account from Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your screen. Type in instagram.com and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Instagram homepage where you can access your account settings. Once the Instagram page loads, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, often called the hamburger menu. This menu gives you access to various Instagram features and settings. Go ahead and click on those three horizontal lines to expand the menu options. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you see the Logout option. Click on Logout to sign out of your current Instagram account. This step is essential because it takes you to the account management screen where you can actually remove accounts that are saved in your browser. After logging out, you'll be redirected to a screen showing all the Instagram accounts that are saved in your Chrome browser. This is where Chrome stores your login information for quick access. Now locate the specific account you want to remove from this browser. Next to your account, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to reveal additional options for managing that particular account. A small menu will pop up with different choices. From this menu, click on Remove. This action tells Chrome that you want to delete this account's saved login information from your browser entirely, which helps keep your account list clean and organized. Once you click Remove, a confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify this action. This extra step prevents accidental deletions and ensures you really want to proceed. In the confirmation dialog box, click on Remove from this browser to finalize the process. This confirms your decision and permanently removes the account's saved data from Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Instagram account from Google Chrome and it will no longer appear in your saved accounts list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.